These are the golden days, the kind we're gonna miss someday. Laughing hard, staying out late, living like the world can't wait. Every little thing feels right, like we got nowhere else tonight. These are the golden days, wish they could always stay. Warm air drifting through the trees, talking easy in the breeze. Nothing special, nothing planned, still the best nights always land. Someone shouting from across, running barefoot through the grass, looking around and taking in everything we're standing in. No counting time, no thinking twice. These are the golden days, the kind we're gonna miss someday.